In this video, I'm going to show you how to order your patches as a brand partner and explore potential earning opportunities. First of all, let's make sure you have the country where you live in here. You can find all the countries in the drop-down menu. Then you will click Join. Make sure that you are joining through the person who sent you. So here are the various enrollment kits. When I enrolled, I selected the premium because that will give you the most patches at the greatest discount. You will end up saving over $620 at least. This also means that your business will take off faster. This is for the business builders who want to start fast. But of course, you can select any other options. For the sake of this tutorial, let's select the advanced enrollment. As you can see, the X39s are already pre-selected here. So you will get 6 of the X39. However, you can choose other patches. So for example, if you remove one of the X39, you can add 2 more of the so-called regular patches. So let's try that. So we've removed one X39 and we're going to go here and select any sleeve that you want. For example, I really like the Ion, clinically proven to reduce stress in the body. When you hover over Add, you will see all the brief descriptions. Or I love LifeWave, helps manage pain. So let's try to add one LifeWave. Notice that you have an orange bar here. It says add more items. One more sleeve will complete your order. Okay, you can have one more sleeve. So you will either increase the number of the ice waves, or if you would like to try the others, you can remove another X39, which gives you an option of 2 more of the regular patches. So why don't we try Ion, clinically proven to reduce stress. Ion is also known as the happy patch. And let's have a look. Okay, we can have one more sleeve. So why don't we have one Ala Vida? Ala Vida is great for sleep and for the skin. Now we can see enrollment kit is complete. This is worth spending some time on. You can really mix and match. This is quite fun. So let's imagine that this is what we want. Continue. Now, this will ask you about the monthly subscription items. If you want to keep active, to keep your points, this means to be eligible to keep earning, I recommend setting a monthly subscription. But don't worry, this can be edited anytime. You can choose your date. It usually starts a month from your order. It's automatically set to that. Save. This is a notice that they will call your mobile once you proceed with the payment to reduce the fraud. So make sure your bank has your current mobile number. Here you will enter your personal information. You don't have to add anything if you are just as an individual. Tax ID or social security. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can just skip it. Your website. So when you share your link, with others, this is what it will look like. And it will have your special website name. So you can make up some name. For example, let's try Radiant Energy. Radiant Energy. I bet you this will be taken because LifeWave is a big company. And see, that username is unavailable. Radiant Energy Now. Okay, that is available. If you click this, then your name that you have just made will not be used, but instead it will be a row of numbers that you will be assigned. I don't recommend it. It doesn't look too nice. I would use your username, Radiant Energy Now, then password. I'm just experimenting. Okay. Now, shipping information for enrollment order. If your billing address is the same as the shipping address, tick this so you don't have to retype your address. Now you will fill the payment. Click agree and submit. I hope that you have found this tutorial helpful and that you will enjoy this journey with us.